Another important week of construction is underway, and there are some interesting developments to follow around the stadium. The north goal is showing clear progress with the LED lighting system, while the lateral continues to be one of the busiest areas with major structural work underway. And of course, the big question remains the compression ring, with just 12 boxes remaining to complete the ring. Let's get into the latest progress. The LED lighting work is continuing across the north goal, with workers now connecting the green electrical cables to the LED fixtures already installed in this section. Several lights are fully connected, while the remaining cables are still being worked on. This is an important stage because the lighting system is gradually moving from simple fixture installation toward full electrical connection across the north goal. At the middle level of the north goal, new LED fixtures are now being installed in the sections that were previously empty. Several lights are already in position, while workers are continuing to add more across the remaining areas. For the first time, we can clearly see the installation process itself, with workers positioning and securing the fixtures rather than simply working on the cables. The LED installation is now visibly expanding across the north goal. With new fixtures being added and existing lights receiving their electrical connections, this section is gradually approaching the next stage of the lighting installation. The installation of the anchors for the ceramic llamas is making clear progress across the tribune. In one of the main sections, anchors are now installed across the lower, middle, and upper portions of the structure, while neighboring sections have also started receiving anchors at different levels. There is still work remaining, but the installation is steadily extending across the first level and preparing these sections for the future ceramic-lama installation. Several elevated work platforms remain positioned throughout the tribune, supporting the ongoing anchor installation. A large amount of construction material is also stored in this area, while some of the platforms are currently stationary. These platforms are allowing workers to reach the different levels of the structure as preparation for the llama installation continues. The staircase flooring is now very close to completion. Almost all of the slabs are already installed, with only a few small gaps remaining where individual pieces need to be measured, cut, and fitted into the tighter spaces, particularly around the corners. The lower ramp section is also fully covered, so only these final details remain before this part of the tribune is completely finished. The compression ring remains paused, with the final 12 boxes still waiting to be installed. Despite the upcoming matches, work is expected to resume this week, bringing the ring closer to completion. In the corner area, an emergency cross has been raised into position near the upper section of the stadium. This equipment is used for emergency situations when medical assistance is required, although at the moment it appears to be part of a test rather than an actual emergency operation. Similar tests have been carried out before, so it is likely a temporary check of the emergency equipment. The lama-support preparation is at a different stage here compared with the tribune. Some anchors have already been installed behind the structural brackets, but the actual supports for the ceramic llamas are still missing in several sections around the mobility cores. This means additional structural preparation is still required before the llamas can begin covering these areas. Several sections around the mobility cores in the corner are still waiting for their sandwich panels. The structural framework is already in place, but the external envelope remains incomplete in these areas. Once the remaining preparation is finished, these sections will be able to move forward with the next stage of panel installation. The south goal is relatively quiet compared with the more active sections of the stadium. The crane in this area is currently stationary, and only limited exterior activity is visible around the mobility cores. There are still workers and elevated platforms operating in the upper sections, but no major visible installation is taking place at this moment. The llama anchor installation has not yet advanced significantly across the south goal. Several sections still have no visible anchors. Several of the newer ceramic llamas around the mobility cores are still covered with their protective plastic. In the older sections, this covering has already been removed, while some of the more recently installed llamas still retain the protection. The removal process will reveal the finished surface of these newer sections as the work progresses. The lower section of the diamond remains one of the more active construction zones. Workers are continuing with formwork and structural preparation, while large quantities of material are being used around the structure. The surrounding walls are progressively taking shape as additional blocks are installed, with more material already prepared for the next stages. Steel reinforcement work continues along the first overhang, particularly above the door openings. These metal elements are now extending across a larger portion of the structure, although some of the connecting pieces are still missing in certain sections. Once these remaining connections are installed, this part of the overhang will be further prepared for its next construction phase. The lateral continues to stand out as one of the most advanced areas for both LED lighting and ceramic-lama installation. The LED fixtures are already installed across this section, while the surrounding lamas and structural elements are also considerably further ahead than in many other parts of the stadium. This makes the lateral one of the clearest areas to see how the final exterior is beginning to come together. Work is progressing on the third level, where workers are installing and securing structural beams and supporting elements that will prepare this section for its first sandwich panels. Several sections already have these components in place, while a few remaining pieces are still being added. Once this structural framework is completed, the area will be ready to move into the next stage of exterior cladding with the installation of the sandwich panels. Construction logistics remain active throughout the lateral, with containers and vehicles being moved around the site as different work areas continue to develop. A specialized vehicle used for producing and installing the stadium's vinyl graphics is also present, supporting the finishing details being added around doors and other completed sections. Workers are now painting the rear sections of the lama-supports, preparing them for the future ceramic-lama installation. Several supports are receiving this finishing treatment, while other sections still require the support structures themselves to be installed. This preparation will need to continue before the remaining lamas can be fitted across these areas. Construction around the diamond is continuing at several levels. Workers are installing additional blocks to extend the surrounding walls, while large quantities of blocks are already prepared nearby for the next lifts. At the same time, new scaffolding is being assembled around the structure, providing access for workers as this section continues to rise and develop. Finishing work is continuing on the structural elements of the north goal, including brackets, beams, bolts, and connection points. Workers are preparing and painting these components, with some sections receiving an initial coating before the final black finish. There is still a substantial amount of this detailed finishing work to complete across the upper levels. A new stepped amphitheater-style seating structure is taking shape in the north goal, facing the future video board. Reinforcement steel has already been installed, and workers are now adding wooden formwork to shape the stepped rows. The first sections are already beginning to take form, marking a new phase of construction in this part of the stadium. Several sections of the north goal are now prepared for the next stage of sandwich panel installation after the interior scaffolding was removed. In one area, the existing sandwich panels have already progressed toward the upper part of the structure, while adjacent sections are now open and ready for the exterior panels to continue across the remaining areas. The Lama anchor installation in the north goal is still behind the progress seen in the Tribune. Several sections are still without the new anchors, meaning further preparation is required before the ceramic lamas can be installed. The contrast between these areas shows that the Lama installation is progressing at different speeds around the stadium. The upper levels of the north goal still require considerable finishing work. Structural brackets, bolts, and connection points need further preparation and painting before the future Lama installation reaches these higher sections. For now, the work here is focused on completing the structural finishing that will support the later exterior installation. This week brings solid progress across Camp Nou. The north goal is advancing with LED installation and new seating, while the Tribune continues with Lama anchors and staircase finishing. The lateral remains highly active with diamond construction, reinforcement, LED lighting, and third-level preparation, while work in the south goal continues at a slower pace.